asks clear, one step at a time, and the next question adapts based on your previous answer. For years, business have focused on these strategies. If you miss this, here is the conversational form, a revolutionary shift for you in this approach. Higher completion rates, better quality data for business. In 2025, booking appointments online shouldn't feel like a chore. If your website could guide your visitors through the scheduling process in a natural, friendly conversation, it would make it fast and enjoyable. Yes, that's what you are looking for. It's not like that just someone booked a slot, right? Well, before going to a deep dive, I'm excited to show you how you can create a conversational appointment booking form using Fluent Forms combined with Fluent Booking. So this powerful duo transforms your regular forms into a chat-like interface that feels more human and helps you capture more appointments with less hassle. So in case you are managing consultations or team bookings, this approach will completely upgrade how you receive appointments. Prior to starting, double check that you have both Fluent Forms and Fluent Booking installed and activated on your WordPress site. So these two plugins work hand in hand to create conversational booking forms that not only collect data but also schedule your appointments automatically. Well, we are now ready to create a new conversational form. So navigate to Fluent Forms in your WordPress admin area, and to create a form, just click on Add New. So as you can see, a pop-up will give you a glimpse of the forms that you can use. Okay, so here you have a blank form that you can customize by yourself. You have some pre-made form templates, and you can also use AI to create the initial structure of your form. So what a great feature added in Fluent Forms, right? Okay, so well, we are not going to use these because we are creating a conversational form for the appointment booking. So now what I'm going to do is I will just hit on create conversational form. So this instantly switches my form layout into a chat-like step-by-step interaction, where users will answer one question at a time. You will see the default input fields are already there, so don't worry about it. You can easily customize these to fit your needs, and also remove or rearrange fields to match exactly what info you want to collect during your booking process. So I'll only keep name and email input fields and delete the rest of the fields. But I think I will add the query field. Suppose if you are a doctor, you need a patient details before the appointment. So it's very essential to take all the details beforehand. So let me just customize the field. So element label will be what would you like to discuss during the meeting. I think it's perfect. So my attendee will understand what they need to write on the box. So in the admin field label, I will add purpose of the meeting for me as an admin to understand. And to easily guide my invitee, I can add any text to the placeholder. So I'll go with the default text. Now here comes the main part. So to connect this conversational form with my appointment calendar, I need to add the Fluent Booking input field. So as you can see, my booking field added to the form right away. So let's personalize the field. Field title, basically user will see when filling out the Fluent Booking field in a form. So you can enter any text here to help users understand the field's purpose. For example, choose your appointment slot, or maybe book your session. But I'm going to write book your session for medical consultations. It's perfect. Okay, so the admin field level is only visible to admins, and it helps you label a form field differently in the backend without changing what users see on the front end. So I don't need this, so I'm going to leave it empty. Now select the calendar you have created in Fluent Booking. If you have multiple calendars, you will see all of them listed here. So make sure the calendars are created beforehand. Otherwise, go ahead and set one up first. So now I will choose the one I want to use for this form. Perfect. So to ensure proper data collection and user identification, just map the email and name fields carefully. Well, I'm done with the mapping. Okay, so moving forward, if I want to show my host info to the booking calendar on the front end, I will just need to tick the box. So as you can see, there is another option which is required. Basically, you can choose the appropriate option from here to determine whether the field should be empty when the user submits your form. If you click on yes, then you need to customize the error message. So I'm going with the no. Well, as you can see, the advanced options are there. So these settings allow you to further customization to meet specific use cases. So in the advanced settings, some features are for the pro users. So let's explore the container class. Okay, so you can use these fields to add your custom CSS to the fields cover. And the name attribute field is the HTML equivalent of the same name. So I don't need to do anything. Well, now let's explore the layout settings. So here you can customize the look of your form, from changing the layout style to uploading an image that represents your brand. So feel free to try the available layout options and choose the one that best fits your website design. So I'll keep the current settings for now. For more advanced users, Fluent Forms Pro offers conditional logic, allowing you to show or hide fields based on previous answer. So this makes the form even more personalized and relevant for each visitor, creating a seamless booking experience. So once your form setup is complete, hit save and preview it to see how it looks on the front end. You will notice the one question at a time flow feels more like a friendly chat than a boring form. So it's easy for visitors to follow and encourage completion, which means more appointments for you. Okay, so time to get this form filled in. So after someone completes the conversational form, the appointment data doesn't just sit in a database. It will automatically appear in my Fluent Booking bookings page and also in the Fluent Forms entries. So just open Fluent Booking and check the booking list to verify. So you will see all the details neatly organized and ready for me to manage or follow up. So this automated flow saves you time, it reduces errors and keeps your schedule perfectly synced. Well, we're at the end, and before going to end, let me share you some quick tips. Add buffer times between appointments to avoid burnout. Enable email notifications to keep both you and your clients informed. Customize confirmation messages for a professional touch, and use thank you redirects or upsell offers after booking for better engagement. And that's how you effortlessly turn a simple form into a conversational appointment scheduler that feels personal and works like clockwork, and all thanks to Fluent Forms and Fluent Booking. So if this walkthrough helped you simplify your booking process and deliver a better experience to your clients, please hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep your scheduling smooth, your clients happy, and your business thriving with WPManageNinja.